But to fully understand the relationship between Ara and the cosmos, which then allows you to understand how our ancestors viewed Ara and healing from Ara, my son is going to share a story with you about the time that Ara overcame the mind of Chukwu as a war boiled between the Abara.
At the beginning, there was Chi and Eke. Chi was the husband. Eke was the wife. And together, they created the entire universe. But one day, something really bad happened and changed the universe forever. Eke died in a really big explosion. Eke's body blew into 1 billion pieces. And that all created the stars, planets, moons, and everything. But there's no order. It was chaotic. There's a big mess. She wanted to rebuild his life. She turned into the universe now. He created the Abara to remove almost all the chaos. He created Allah. He created Amma. Anyawo. He created Nemiri, created Amadi Oha. He created Agul. And he created many more. They worked very hard to build the universe. They built earth, sky, water, clouds, sun, and many more. Chukwu loved it because it was a part of him, and they worked hard. But one day, they wanted to know who Chukwu loved the most. They got jealous of each other, and they're talking about who is the best. On one day, they're ready to fight each other to the death. The war was gonna tear Chukwu's mind apart. It was gonna explode almost everything and start the chaos again. That's when Chukwu yelled, "Ozule!" Chukwu had a plan. He was gonna put the universe back together soon and bring peace again. Because if the Abara fights, it'll tear his mind apart into pieces. He created 4 houses called Eke, Orie, Afa, Nkwo, and Chukwu said all the Abara should be equal. He put them in their houses, husband and wife. Then he created a market in the middle. If anyone has more than anyone, they can meet in the middle, go to the market, and trade. Everyone was happy and equal. That they were both trading if they had any more than others. Chukwu told the scariest Abara called Ekwensu to watch over all of the elements and make sure nobody breaks the rules. This is why the ancestors say Uwamu Ahia. From that day on, Chukwu stopped the Ara from taking over the universe to just crumbs that were actually kind of big. Ogula.
The best way to support this channel is by joining our Patreon community, which I have dubbed The Village, at patreon.com/themedicineshell.